Welcome to A-Level Chemistry. My name is Mr. Kelleher and I am the Head of Chemistry here at Alun School. There are several different reasons you might want to study A-Level Chemistry. You might need it for a chosen career or degree course. You might have really enjoyed it at GCSE and want to carry on with it. You might want to learn more about how chemistry impacts our everyday lives, building understanding and links to the knowledge gained so far at GCSE. You might even be somebody who really enjoys solving problems. Whatever the reason, chemistry is a fabulous course, well respected by employers and universities, as somebody with an A-level in chemistry can be relied on to learn complex information, solve problems, and is competent with practical and mathematical tasks. It is sometimes called the central science and can be used as a way into lots of different careers and courses. So, why study at the Alun? Here at Alun School we have excellent experienced teachers. Chemistry appears in 3 option columns, and whichever column you choose it in, you will have 2 teachers for your 5 lessons per week. Next year we will have myself, Mr. Rees, Mrs. Roberts, Miss Rose, and Dr. Radley teaching Year 12 classes. We also have an excellent track record for success. As you can see from the data, we consistently achieve excellent results, allowing students to maximise their potential and apply for top universities in Britain and around the world. With many years of successful students, we have developed a range of excellent resources for students to use, from packs containing all of the relevant papers and mark schemes, to practical task workbooks with analysis questions, from revision notes to challenging homework tasks designed to stretch learning. We have created a wealth of resources designed to enable you to succeed. I think the main reason you should study here is that we care about you as individuals. We'll take the time to get to know you, what your strengths are and where you need to develop. We will then help you build your skills and support you on your journey. What do our students say about studying chemistry here at the Alun School?
A-level chemistry is a really great subject to take. It's a really interesting course and can open many doors to many different university courses and apprenticeships. I was new to the Alun for 6th form and I settled in really quickly. The teacher's very welcoming and I didn't feel like I was treated any differently to students who were already at the school. Initially I struggled with chemistry, but once I told my teachers that I felt I could be doing better, they provided me with extra material support and guidance. This has helped me to massively improve my grades and enjoy the subject even more.
Why take A-level chemistry? It's really interesting and you'll learn new things and also build upon your GCSE knowledge. And it's also very versatile and works well with other subjects like biology and maths. What is it like to do A-level chemistry? It is very challenging and the workload is a big step up from GCSE, but with that being said, it is manageable if you stay on top of it. There's also loads of practical activities which are really good fun as well. What are the teachers like? So throughout my time at the Alun, I've had most of the chemistry teachers and they've all been extremely helpful. If you're stuck on something or want some clarification, they're more than happy to explain something again if you get to the lesson a little bit early. My favourite things about doing A-level chemistry, one, the amount of online resources in comparison to other subjects. It's definitely a lot of good stuff to help you online. It's also really interactive and we're able to put our knowledge into practice when doing practicals. And it also helps with other subjects, mainly with biology, but it does also help with maths as well.
Why take A-level chemistry? Chemistry is a very exciting subject. It is really good to help build upon your knowledge of chemistry as well as developing skills that are useful in other subject areas. Chemistry is a very versatile subject as it intertwines aspects of biology, physics and psychology. Chemistry can be considered a challenging subject, but it is in no way difficult. If you are worried that you may not be right for the subject because you did not take separate science at GCSE, honestly, don't worry about it. You won't be at any disadvantage. It's a great way to make new friends, and personally, I have really enjoyed chemistry so far. There is lots of support for whenever you need it, and not just from your teacher. Every chemistry teacher is there to help.
We follow the WJEC syllabus. This will include learning from the 3 main areas of chemistry: organic, inorganic, and physical. We will help you to develop your numeracy skills, problem solving and practical skills. We will enable you to become independent learners, able to research, learn and revise effectively on your own. You will learn resilience, facing challenges and overcoming them, learning from your mistakes. You will learn how to complete complex practical tasks, multi-step calculations, and organic synthesis routes. But from the real world, you'll learn the fundamentals behind lots of the facts learned at GCSE. What pH actually means, why some chemicals are coloured and some are white, how batteries work, and why the reactivity series is a thing. Chemistry is not the right course for all students. You will need to have a grade B or above in higher tier science, or chemistry if you did separate sciences, and a grade B or above from higher tier maths. You will need to be prepared to work hard. The transition from GCSE is huge in terms of the complexity of the work and the amount of work you'd be expected to do. You need to be prepared for the fact that you're also likely to make some mistakes. A-level chemistry is not hard, but it is challenging, and you really need to be thinking clearly in order to do well. After you've made mistakes, it's important to learn from them so you don't make the same mistakes again. You also need to commit to the fundamentals of success: learning facts, solving problems, developing excellent study skills, and asking for help. Only by doing all of this will you become an excellent A-level chemistry student. If you need support, we will be there for you. We know that some students find the transition from GCSE difficult. In the first few weeks of the course, we will begin to get to know you. We will do several small tests to gauge your knowledge and understanding. This will allow you and us to see how you're doing, what you've learnt so far, and what you need to go back over. It also helps you to understand very early on how much work you will need to do in order to succeed. In terms of resources, we've got packs of past paper questions going from 2003 to 2019, all with mark schemes. We also have individual topic question books. These will help you learn how to approach A-level questions. With support and guidance, we will show you how to use language correctly, key words which are needed in answers, and the importance of logic and clarity in longer written or calculation answers. Some students will continue to find chemistry difficult and require further assistance. Here is where we come into our own. With so much teaching depth and experience, there is always a teacher you can ask for help with a point of learning. It doesn't even need to be one of your own teachers. We also have a series of sessions where some students can come for extra coaching if it is felt they need it, usually in one of their free lessons. We do everything we can to help you. All you need to do is ask and show that you're willing to learn. If you have any further questions you wish to ask, please email me at simon.kelleher@alun.flintshire.sch.uk. Thank you.